All right, so summer's coming. You know what that means.
Beaches, barbecues.
Yeah, all that good stuff. But also, got to think about skin.
Definitely. Summer skin health. Big topic.
Big topic. And that's what we're diving into today. We're going to be looking at some recent research on all the things that can, mess with your skin during the summer, all the threats.
Exactly. We'll cover everything you need to know to keep your skin healthy and glowing all summer long.
So let's start with the elephant in the room, right?
Okay.
The sun. We all know it's powerful.
Absolutely. It's the most obvious summer skin threat.
But what's really going on there? Like beneath the surface?
Well, every time you get a tan, think of it like you're damaging your skin.
Really?
Yeah. UV radiation from the sun, it breaks down collagen. That's the stuff that keeps your skin, firm and young looking.
Oh, okay. I've heard of collagen.
Yeah. And studies show that even a little bit of sun exposure can reduce collagen levels, and that leads to wrinkles and aging.
So, even if I don't get a sunburn, I'm still damaging my skin.
That's right. Huh. Okay, so, gotta protect ourselves. What's the best way to do that?
Sunscreen, for sure. But it's not just about putting on any old sunscreen.
Right. There are like a million different kinds.
Exactly. And there are two main types, chemical and mineral.
Okay, break that down for me. What's the difference?
So, chemical sunscreen soaks up the UV rays from the sun and turns them into heat.
Interesting.
And mineral sunscreen, it sits on top of your skin and blocks the rays.
Okay, so like a shield.
Exactly. A physical barrier.
Got it. So which one is better?
It depends, on your skin type and what you prefer. Some people like chemical sunscreens because they're easy to rub in, but others find them irritating. Mineral sunscreens are generally gentler on the skin.
And better for the environment, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's sunscreen. Anything else we can do to minimize sun damage?
Oh, absolutely. Just think about when you're out in the sun.
Like time of day.
Yeah. The sun is strongest between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., so try to stay out of direct sunlight during those hours.
And then there's protective clothing.
Oh, right, like hats and sunglasses.
Exactly.
Simple, but effective. Okay, so we've covered sun protection. What about other summertime skin saboteurs?
Right. Well, heat rash is a big one.
Ugh, yeah. I hate heat rash. Those little red bumps.
I know, right? It's so itchy. It happens when your sweat ducts get blocked.
Blocked?
Yeah, sweat gets trapped under your skin and then boom, heat rash.
So how do we prevent that?
Well, staying in air conditioning helps.
Of course.
But obviously that's not always possible. Wearing loose-fitting clothing, especially natural fabrics like cotton, that can make a big difference.
And staying hydrated. I imagine that helps.
Oh yeah, drinking plenty of water helps regulate your body temperature, and that keeps the sweat flowing.
Okay, good to know. So we've talked about sun, heat, and now let's talk bugs. Mosquitoes, specifically.
Ugh, the worst.
I know, right? They're unavoidable in the summer.
Yeah.
But they can be more than just annoying.
Yeah, those bites can get infected, or trigger allergic reactions.
So how do we keep those pesky mosquitoes away?
Insect repellent is your best friend.
But again, so many choices. DT is the most effective.
Right. But DEET can be harsh, especially for kids. There are natural repellents with essential oils.
Like what?
Citronella, eucalyptus, things like that.
Good to know. Okay, last but not least, we got to talk about swimming.
Pools, oceans, lakes, all that fun stuff.
Exactly. But all that chlorine and salt water can be tough on the skin.
Oh, yeah. It strips away your skin's natural oils, leaves it feeling dry and irritated.
Yep. That's why my skin always feels so tight after a swim.
Makes sense. Rinsing off with fresh water after a swim can help.
Just a quick rinse.
Yeah, it gets rid of the chlorine and salt residue. And then moisturize.
Moisturize, got it. So it's more than just sunscreen.
Exactly. It's a whole lifestyle approach to summer skin health.
Right. Thinking about all these different factors.
Think about what you eat. Eating a healthy diet can actually help protect your skin from sun damage. And sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for skin repair and regeneration.
So true. I always notice a difference in my skin when I'm sleep deprived.
And don't forget about stress. Stress can trigger inflammation and make your skin more susceptible to breakouts and irritation.
It all comes back to stress. Well, this has been incredibly insightful. Thank you for taking the time to break all this down for us.
My pleasure. Remember, summer is a time to enjoy the outdoors, but with a little bit of knowledge and preparation, we can all keep our skin healthy and happy.
Absolutely. Now, here's something to think about. We talked about the sun, the heat, the bugs, but what about the emotional side of summer skin health? How can we cultivate a positive body image and embrace our natural beauty